How to fix Suncoast Credit Union app not working. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store and then in the search bar, search for Suncoast mobile app. Head over to this application, Suncoast SunMobile. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, now the next step you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Proceed to iPhone storage. Right here, search for the application SunMobile. Once you have found it, head over to it. In here you will find the option where it says Offload App. Click on it. Once again click on Offload App. Well, offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application, which means it will clear all of the unwanted bugs from the app and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Suncoast app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.